What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Just got another shipment from Can-Am BRP to the brand ambassador. About to do an unboxing. Let's go inside and see what he got, because it's about to rain out here now. Alright, YouTube, so let's unbox and see what we got. One mesh jacket, and one helmet. Let's unbox the helmet. One helmet, jet style, lightweight. Let's open up this jacket. Lightweight, summer riding jacket, added. Do a review on that and test out the equipment they sent me. Alright, so now that we got everything unboxed, let's go to the jacket. This is how it comes. Comes on a hanger, mesh outside. We got the Can-Am logo in some form of a leather, maybe. It's called the Roadster. Pre-shaped, safety, size, all of that's on there. This is a large plus. I don't know if that meant because I'm larger than the average large. Reflective on the back. It doesn't come with any padding. Armor. So it does come with a quilted interior. So I'm assuming that if the weather gets a little colder, do it. Let's try it on. So this would be a large. I am 5'10", 100 pounds. Zips up. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me lower the camera a little bit. The waist tightens up. It has the Velcro to get the waist cinched so you don't have that airflow. Pretty good fit. On the arms, don't ride up. I like it. I'm gonna take the interior out. So here's the jacket. This is the interior lining. It's a zip out lining. Let's zip it out. So today actually is like one of the hottest days, so I will be trying it out. Oh, it also snaps in the sleeves to keep the quilt from riding up, which is always a good perk. So snap that. Let's see what we got. Pretty much, I don't know, I could open a window so you guys can see right through it. So yeah, it's open. It's open air. And the only thing, I'm not sure, does it have a place for me to put armor in? Turn it inside out. believe it has a spot to put armor in. No. But this is my review of the Can-Am lightweight mesh jacket. BRP helmet, courtesy of the Nolan Group. Comes in their standard BRP, Sea-Doo, and all their company brand on here. Let's take out the helmet. Really a nice box. Comes, of course, a very nice bag, helmet bag. This bag is actually a little padded inside. Great. Okay, I can tell you right now it's extremely lightweight. I've been through that with BRP before. The helmets are very lightweight. We have all the instruction manuals separate, I guess. Okay, these are clamps for the visor. Instruction booklet. Let's go to the front. It's the N45. It has 4 different possible combinations of wearing the visor. Ready for communication system, air booster technology, vision protection system, ultra wide visor, ready for emergency stop signal. We have an open and closed vent, air vents in the back. This is the graphite. Fast release clip. Let's go with the visor and a drop down sun visor. So let me try this on and give you a look on the fit. This is an extra large helmet. Of course, you guys know I have a lot of hair. It fits pretty snug on my head. Visor up and down, all the way to my chin. Drop down visor, perfect. I like it. Super lightweight, super stylish. Yeah, this is nice. And it's a hot day today, so I will be using this helmet along with the mesh jacket, and I received mesh gloves prior to that. Here's my unboxing and review of the Nolan helmet and the Can-Am mesh Sean jacket. I'm gonna take a ride out there, try on the gear, take a ride, and let you know after how everything worked out. Alright, so I took a ride with the helmet. I have to say the wind noise drastically reduced. This is the Nolan Italian made helmet. I opened up the air vents and you can actually feel the air going through. Tight fit around my ears, and you know I have a lot of hair, so it's a nice fit for the XL. I would even recommend this for women who have long hair, and of course men. Thumbs up on the helmet. The visor comes down full. The sun visor is perfect. Drops down. Good shade. The mesh jacket. If you need to ride with a little more protection, I go with it. Nice, good airflow. My only problem with the mesh jacket is that it doesn't have the slots to put your armor in. That's my only problem with the jacket. But as for extra layer of protection, works out. Also, I have the gloves, the mesh gloves with the touch fingers on it, so for your iPhone or Android phone. So I'm gonna give a thumbs up on everything. Just the only problem, like I said before, with the jacket, I said too many times. Thanks Can-Am, thanks BRP, all the guys over there and girls. Thanks for the products, there'll be a link for all the stuff that I have below. Ride safe, man. Ride safe.